This here is the Soundcore speaker. Let's see if I can connect here, and then I can play here music. There, epic. I can start playing here this here. And then let's turn down the music. So I play this while I take it apart. Yeah, also, I don't know if I ever showed this, there's an app on here. The Anchor Soundcore app or something. Here, Soundcore. And then you can connect to the thing here. Add device. Did I click allow or not? Allow. And then you see probably the speaker on there. Here, select for go. There it is. It has the Soundcore signature sound on here. I don't know how much more you can do on this. What is settings want? Can't access the clipboard. Serial number, firmware update. Update firmware. Here, look at this. It's up to date. So the app, like others have too. Same thing, right? So now we have to get in here, crack this thing open. And now it's easiest to go here. Oh, okay, let me take a tour here. Smith & Wesson. And go in here and crack that open. You hear that? Oh man. Maybe on this side too. We don't want to break it. The worst case would be if you crack the battery, right? Oh. Did you hear that? It closed again here on this side. Here on this side it lost it here. There we go. Now look. There we go. Did anything break off? No, but it stopped playing because I pushed the button. Here, there's a little bit plastic coming off. Who knows where that's missing? Okay, and then there's a bunch of screws on this side. So I assume the speaker is on this side then. Because we want to know that too, how the speaker looks like. Then we can take a look how big it is, right? Wow. That is tight, my friends. That's what you get when you do a live video. Oh, I turned it off by accident. Play again. Play. I don't know if this helps. I have some tools like the iFixit thing, or this one here. I don't think this helps. If anything, then this, but this also looks very weak. You know, I think the first thing I had here was not too bad. Here, this knife, right? I hear stuff coming, see this? Look at it. It's giving way. Oh. I hope I'm still in the picture. There we go. Did I do this here? No. This seems to be intact still. Nothing broke off. We have a little piece here flying. Okay. But what we see here, this is basically the same concept as we see from this other brand. This looks like a LED kind of thing, no? Those spots here. Interesting, right? It's like a dog hair here. But so you see here. Here there's glue, kind of. What is that? Or did I do this with my knife? Could be. Okay, so there's the speaker screw too. And then on this side we have a bunch of screws. Let's see what those do. Screwdriver. Well, this is going to take forever. So I think we are better off using a device for this. Hold on a second. Fast. You know, we don't want the video to take forever. The screws are all the same length. Let's see if we can open this easy. It's still playing, as you can hear. Oh wow. I wonder if they glued this in. The screws are off. And it's still not coming apart. Or at least not easy, right? You can see this. There we go. Lid is off. And we can see here pins all still intact, and Sure, it was just sticky on here. I don't think it was glued. It's like a rubber-like kind of thing. Okay. How much dirt is here? And then here we have an 18650 battery in here. It's relatively loose in here. Interesting. It's glued in here and just plugged in easy. So this is easy to replace if you ask me, if you need a replacement battery. I don't know what's underneath here. Don't know if I should break it. It's like a normal battery. Maybe there's electronics. Welded to the battery, or the charge electronics are on here. I'm not sure. Black wire. Battery category 2400 milliamp hours. 8 watts. I mean, and then a speaker here. So I don't need to rip this apart any further. For you, if you need to rechange the battery here, you learned in this video now and where to open it, how to open it. There's a screw here on this side, so it goes this way. We also learned that we don't have to open this side. This was the side where the thing goes on the, see, where the speakers are. That's not the side you have to open. The side you open is the one, the back side, the one with the feet. Okay, let me turn this back on. It should still play, I'm almost certain. Because the phone was still playing, I think. Yeah. Oh, it's loud now. And there's no bass now because we have this removed. When we put this back on, we see 2 screws on this side, only 1 on that side. So it has to be going to the appropriate hole here. And then we have to put all those screws back in. Screwdriver. Plenty. Whenever you put screws on for any device, you do this by hand in the beginning, before you use a machine, power tool, whatever, to finish off the rest of the screw. But see that we have all of them back together. Okay. Plenty of screws keep this thing together. So I'm sure this unit will last you a long time. Yeah, let's have those screws back in. And then you just screw this together. Don't exceed the torque spec on this plastic here, right? See how fast this goes. There we are. All back together. And then you have to put the feedback on. This only fits one way, right? So you can't put it there. See, that doesn't fit. It has to go this way. A very robust device. There you have it. New battery, no big deal. And I hope you like this video. And maybe I see you on the next.